Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grasp 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix WhatsApp voice message not working. If you are experiencing issue with WhatsApp voice message not working on your phone, here is a general tutorial. First of all, check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. WhatsApp voice message requires a working data connection or Wi-Fi. After that, update WhatsApp. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Restart WhatsApp. Close the WhatsApp app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches. Check microphone permission. For that, open the phone setting. Scroll down. You can see here apps. Tap on it. Tap on manage apps and search for WhatsApp. In app info of WhatsApp, you can see here app permission. Tap on it and tap on microphone. Tap on allow. Ensure that WhatsApp has permission to access your device microphone. After that, go back from microphone permission and again go back from app permission. In app info of WhatsApp, you can see here storage. Tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If none of the above solution work, you can contact WhatsApp support. For that, open the WhatsApp and tap on three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on setting. Scroll down. You can see here help. Tap on it and tap on contact us. You should briefly explain about your issue. After that, tap on next and follow the further instruction. After some time, WhatsApp will respond your problem. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.